Hello everyone, welcome to Homeovision. Myself Dr. Naveen, practicing homeopathy in Bangalore. Today we will discuss one of the important polycrest remedy used in our clinical practice, and for exam it is a major remedy. Farrington says may come into use in almost any forms of disease. The remedy is Calcarea carb. In this video, we will discuss guiding symptoms, mind symptoms, and particulars including head, GIT, female reproductive system, respiratory system, children, and extremities. Coming to general introduction, Calcarea carb proved by our master Hahnemann. Chemical name calcium carbonate. Parts used middle layer of the oyster shell. The thermal is chilly temperament, leucophlegmatic temperament. Miasm antisoric remedy. It is one of the remedy of Hahnemann's triad of antisoric remedies. The other remedies are sulfur and lycopodium. Coming to guiding symptoms. Great sensitive to cold, damp air, liability to take cold, aversion to cold open air. There will be a great sensitivity to cold air. Coldness of the single parts. It is a peculiar symptom present in Calcarea carb. The other remedy is Calibi. Single parts means it may be head or stomach, abdomen, feet or legs. Disposition to grow fat, corpulent, unwieldy. It means the patient is very much disposed to grow fat. Girls who are fleshy, plethoric, and grow too rapidly. There will be a profuse perspiration, mostly on back of the head and neck or chest and upper parts of the body. The other remedy is silicea, sore smelling of the sweat. This symptom mostly present in children. Craves for undigestible things. During sickness, there will be a great longing for eggs and aversion to meat. Longing for fresh air. When Calcarea patient present in a room, he need a fresh air. There will be a curvature of the bones, especially spine and long bones. Extremities are crooked, deformed. Bones are irregularly developed. Crooked means twisted. You can see in a X-ray of an forearm, there will be a crooked bones. Feels better in every way when constipated. This is a peculiar symptom present in Calcarea. Stool has to be removed mechanically. Coming to mind symptoms. Apprehension. Apprehension means anxiety or a fear that something bad or unpleasant will happen. This apprehension, which is worse towards the evening with more palpitation. Fears she will lose her reason or that people will observe her mental confusion. In Calcarea carb, there will be a mental confusion. She fears that the people will observe her mental confusion. Fears of misfortune or a bad luck or fears of contagious diseases. There will be a desire to be magnetized. The other remedy is phosphorus. Coming to particulars. Head. In children, there will be a large head. Fontanelles and sutures are open. Imperfect ossification. Head sweats profusely while sleeping, wetting the pillow far around. The sweat, it smells like a sore. The other remedies are silicea and sanicula. Head feels heavy and hot with pale face. There will be a vertigo on ascending and when turning the head. Next, coming to GIT. There will be acidity of the digestive tract, especially in the stomach. Sore irritation, sore vomiting, sore stool, sore odor of the whole the body. The other remedies are hepar and rheum. The pit of the stomach, it is swollen like an inverted saucer and it is painful to pressure. There will be a cramps in the stomach which is aggravated by pressure and cold water. There will be a thirst for longing for cold drinks, craving for undigestible things such as chalk, coal, or pencil. It is mostly present in children's. Craving also for eggs, salt, and sweets. There will be aversion to meat, boiled things, and milk. The patient feels better in every way when constipated. This is a peculiar symptom present only in Calcarea. Next, coming to female reproductive system. Menstruation too early, too profuse, too long lasting, with subsequent amenorrhea and chlorosis, with menses scanty or suppressed. First, there will be too early and too profuse menses. After that, in the same patient, the amenorrhea and chlorosis will set to appear with menses scanty or suppressed. This is a peculiar symptom in Calcarea. Women with menses too early, too profuse, feet habitually cold and damp, as if they had on a cold damp stockings, continually cold in the bed. The least mental excitement causes profuse return of menstrual flow. The other remedies are sulfur and tuberculinum. Burning and itching of the parts before and after menstruation, especially in the little girls. There will be hot swelling of the breast, tender and swollen before the menses. There is a deficient lactation because the child disagreed to take the milk, but the milk is too abundant, so there will be distended breast in lymphatic woman. Coming to respiratory system. Nose is dry, nostrils sore, ulcerated, polyps. In children who are disposition to grow fat, you can see a polyps. You can prescribe Calcarea. There will be a swelling of the root of the nose. Takes cold at every change of the weather. Painless hoarseness, worse in the morning. There will be a tickling cough troubles at night, but expectoration only during the day. Thick yellow sore mucus. Suffocating spells, tightness, burning, and soreness in the chest. Worse, going upstairs or slightest ascent must sit down. Coming to extremities. The pain is a rheumatoid type of pain as after exposure to wet. Sharp sticking pain with weakness of the extremities. Feet feel cold and dead at night. It means dead at night means there will be a weakness at night. Feels as if damp stockings were worn. Coming to Calcarea carb baby. You will get a question of explain the features of Calcarea baby. The child is fair, fatty and flabby with red face. Head is large, abdomen is swollen. Fontanelles and sutures are open. Bones are soft, develop very slowly. There will be a delayed milestones. Difficult and delayed dentition. Head sweats profusely, wetting the pillow. The sweat is very sore. Coming to modalities. The complaints aggravated in cold air, wet weather, cold water from washing, morning and during full moon. The complaints are ameliorated during dry weather, lying on the painful side. The Calcarea is complementary to belladonna, which is the acute of Calcarea. Calcarea it acts best before Lycopodium, Naxomica, Phosphorus, and Silicea. According to Hahnemann, Calcarea must not be used before nitric acid and sulfur. It may produce unnecessary complication. In children, it may be often repeated, but not in the old age. These points are given in Allen's keynote. These points are very helpful for entrance exam. Thank you. Follow us on Instagram, like and subscribe for future reference. Thank you.